We have Ashish Kapoor joining in as well. Welcome, Ashish. We were just talking about Tech Mahindra. The numbers seem a little weak, but the management commentary seems to give a boost to the share price. It's up about 8%. What's your view on Tech Mahindra?
Well, I think it's the view is positive because the stock has been lying low for quite some time, and what has happened during this course of time is that the management has changed. The vision, which of course results were quite weak and quite insipid, but whatever they have revealed in terms of their vision for FY27 is what has I think raised hopes of a turnaround in their fortunes. Otherwise, over the years, it has been underperforming its peers. So there is hope that now, with the new management in place and with the new plans and the new outlook, and including scale, their focus on scaling large accounts and leveraging their synergies from their past acquisitions and the various other points which the management has laid out, has given confidence to the market that the underperformance may be getting over soon. And otherwise, it's a very well established company. So once I think they get their mojo back, the upside looks very good. So I wouldn't say today because it's already on a very good uptake, but on declines, I think one could look at buying Tech Mahindra. IT sector as a whole has not done much, especially large cap, and Tech Mahindra, even within the IT space, has been lying low. So there is plenty of room once the turnaround of their performance happens.
Yeah, fair point.
So with that in view, I think with 3 years kind of a time frame, you should look to buy on declines.
Okay, fair point, Ashish. And it is in fact off the high point of the day already. It was up as much as 12%, is now up less than 8%. Let's talk about the next question, which is a broad question, but Nirav, this is fan mail for you, if you can call it that. Satya is writing in and he's saying that you are his favorite and that you give fabulous recommendations. To that end, he's asking you to give two short-term views or two short-term recommendations from a perspective of the next 3 to 6 months.
Thank you, Satya. But at this point of time, with the election so close by, very difficult, to give a stock from a 3 to 6 month perspective. Only thing that I'll tell you, I'll give you a theme which I've been actually following. As a theme, I like fertilizer. Lots of stocks in the fertilizer space have seen a 5-year, 10-yearly breakout. So I believe, in the next 3, 6 months, even 1 year, this is one sector which should perform very well. Out of those, I believe GSFC and RCF are two stocks which I really like because their long-term patterns are very good. So I believe one can look to buy these two stocks at current levels. Even if you get declines, on declines, 200 should be the stop loss for GSFC and about 130 for RCF. But I believe GSFC should do about 350, 400 or very soon, probably in the next 3 to 6 months, and RCF, probably 250 or. So both can give you good gains going forward. So hopefully you can add